We've got to make sure that we are protecting the system so that the charges can be laid. Even from my own process, which is an independent investigation, out of that process, we will then find out what charges can be laid. But at the end of the day, it is the people who've brought these issues to me who personally need to actually lay those charges, and we need to give them all the help that they need.
Komishene ya tekatekano ya bong e re tla beha nyewe ena leihlo le ntjhotjho.
The appointment of Advocate Jennifer Williams to probe this allegation is welcomed, as it signals that the Western Cape provincial government takes gender-based violence seriously. The Commission trusts Advocate's investigation will lead to a fair outcome and ensure justice for complainants. The allegations against MEC Fritz are serious in nature and warrant an immediate response by the Western Cape provincial government.
Winde o kgothaleditse bohle ba nang le ditletlebo kgahlano le Fritz ho ya tlaleha sepoleseng. Sepolesa ha se so netefatse e ba nyewe e se e butsi kapa tjhe.
Having to run off to